Hi, I am Ali Kavandi, manager of Nedai Darya Group. I invite you to watch this video.
I am Made Kava. I travel and then tell you all the stories. In this episode, I will use metro and tell you why metro is a tourist attraction in Malaysia. Believe it or not, metro in Kuala Lumpur is one of the tourist attraction, but at first we must find the best metro between these much of different lines, LRT, KL, KTM, and now let's see that can I choose the correct one or not.
As don't accept 20.
Proudly I selected the right one, which is LRT, and I bought some some jeton for this train, and now we'll go to show you why it is a tourist attraction.
Be on the ground, but very soon, but overall,
This is the point. Metros in Malaysia have no driver. So this is the similarity between a metro in Malaysia and a roller coaster. But the difference between metro and roller coaster is that in this metro they try to make you calm, comfortable, but in roller coaster they try to make you afraid and make more action. But this metro reminds me another thing. When I was a child in Tehran, we had some second story buses. I don't know how they call it in English. Basically, they are from London. So we had those kind of buses in Tehran, and my uncle's home was in a part of the city that we had to go by. These buses, and it was fun for me and my brother to go to the second floor, second story, and sit on top of the place of the driver and feel like a driver. So when I was in this metro, it reminds my childhood. Anyway, by this metro we went to the city center of Kuala Lumpur in Twin Towers. That is the most famous part of Kuala Lumpur, which we will see in the next episode.
Merci d'avoir pris le temps. Si vous voulez être avec nous, contactez-nous. Bonne journée.